Today, I'll show you exactly how to set up a completely free booking system on your WordPress website using the Simply Schedule Appointments plugin. By the end of this quick tutorial, you'll have a professional-looking online calendar ready to accept unlimited appointments from your clients or visitors, all without paying a dime and with no restrictions on how many different appointment types you can offer. Let's jump right in. First things first, you'll want to log into your WordPress dashboard, which is your website's main control center. Once you're in, look to the left-hand side for the Plugins menu and click on Add New. This is where you add all sorts of functionality to your website. Think of plugins like apps for your smartphone, but for your website. Up in the search bar, type in Simply Schedule Appointments. When you see it pop up, usually one of the first results, just click on Install Now. It'll take a few moments to download, and then you'll hit Activate. This tiny button is important because installation alone isn't enough. Activating the plugin tells WordPress, hey, I want to start using this tool. And that's it for the first step. Your booking system is officially getting started. Now, after activation, you'll notice a brand new Appointments tab has appeared in your WordPress sidebar. Go ahead and click on that. This is where the magic happens. The Simply Schedule Appointments plugin offers an extremely friendly setup wizard designed to walk you through the core configuration in just a few guided steps. The wizard begins by asking you for your basics, like your time zone and how you'd like your dates to display. Think of these as the foundation. Getting your time zone right, for example, means your bookings will always show up at the right time for you and your client, preventing any confusion or missed appointments down the road. Next, you'll set your general availability. This is where you tell the plugin which days and hours you're actually open for business. Maybe you want bookings only Monday through Friday, 9 to 5, or maybe your schedule is a little more flexible. Being specific here helps avoid double bookings and ensures people can only request appointments during your real working hours. Don't worry if your hours change. This is always easy to revisit and edit later on. After that, you'll move on to adding your very first appointment type. This could be a consultation, a coaching call, or something specific to your service. You'll pick a duration, maybe 30 minutes or an hour, and decide how much advance notice you need before someone can book. For example, if you don't want someone to snag a slot 5 minutes before it starts, you can set a buffer period. Adding details here, like a short description or instructions, can really help set expectations and make your clients feel at ease. Once your setup is done, it's time to place your shiny new booking calendar on your website. You have a few easy ways to do this, depending on how you like to build your site. If you use the WordPress block editor, also called Gutenberg, you can simply add the upcoming appointments block to any page or post. If you prefer using shortcodes, just paste SSA booking wherever you want the calendar to appear. And if you're a fan of page builders like Elementor, Divi, or Beaver Builder, Simply Schedule Appointments has you covered too, offering drag-and-drop modules that slide right into your layout. Choose whichever method feels natural. There's really no wrong answer, and that's all there is to it. With these simple steps, your site is now ready to accept unlimited bookings, and you can manage everything with ease from your WordPress dashboard. If you found this walkthrough helpful, go ahead and hit that like button. And if you have any questions or run into a snag, just drop them in the comments below. I'm always here to help you out. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and best of luck growing your business with your new WordPress booking system.